If you want to add fingerprint on the Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, we need to open settings. Over here in settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit and then go to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. Now over here, make sure that you have screen lock enabled. You need to have a screen lock password in order to set up the fingerprint unlock option. So select that option, enter your screen lock password in order to continue. Then over here, we should be able to start adding our fingerprint. So the fingerprint sensor is located on the right side, which is actually on the power button over here. So what you can do is you can simply touch and hold. So put the finger on the sensor and then lift it. And then keep going until you finish scanning. So every time you feel a little vibration, you want to lift your finger. And then every time you touch it with your finger, you want to try to touch it with from a different angle. You can also use edges. As you can see over here, we have a tip provided by the phone to use edges. And of course, you want to use the finger that it is just convenient for you to use. In my case, I just use this finger instead of a thumb because for the sake of this video, just only that on that reason. And there we go. Once we scan our finger, we should be able to tap on done over here. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.